Hello everyone, good morning. So today we'll be learning lesson 1 from class 5. The living world. The living world is around us is wonderful. So let's learn more about it. Let's go. After studying this lesson, you may be able to identify living beings and non-living things, know the important characteristics of all living beings. You can try to understand the different food production methods in plants, life cycles, and different types of plants and animals. You'll be able to identify or classify animals based on their feeding habits. You'll be able to know the importance of protecting all life forms, which is plants, animals, and different microbes present in nature. You'll be able to understand the components of the environment, and lastly, know the components of our planet Earth. Here, I've listed out a couple of characteristics of living beings, which go like: living beings have life, living beings may have cells or they may not have cells, living beings respire, so respire here is they breathe, living beings eat food, which is important for nutrition, or rather which is nutrition, that's how they grow. Next is living beings grow. Next is living beings move around. Living beings excrete. Living beings respond to stimulus. So stimulus here is that they can feel different, they can feel pain, they can feel light, they feel hungry, they feel they need to drink water, things like that. And lastly, living beings have a lifespan. So lifespan here is as to how long they live for. Okay, now let's get started. So I've listed a couple of questions here, as you can see on the slide. So try to answer them however you know. Question 1. The word merring, which is spelled M-E-R-R-I-N-G. So this word merring is an acronym. So acronym means that each word has, the beginning of each word has a different meaning, right? So the word merring has seven words or 7 characters, 7 letters rather. So I want you to expand the word. Next, question 2. Make a list of living beings and non-living things you have seen in nature. Question 3. What would happen if there was no sun? What would happen if there was no air, no water, no land? I want you to discuss this. Next is, why do animals move? If plants had legs like you, what would have happened then? Next, cars and buses run on the road. Hands in a clock move circularly. Rivers and streams flow. Do these things or organisms or non-living things have life? What is the difference between movement of living beings and the movement of non-living beings? So you can answer all these questions in your own rough note or any notebook of your choice and write them down. Show them to your teacher if required, or you can use them for self-learning. So self-learning is a very good activity, and it's a very good thing, as self-help is the best help. Credits: Chirag Ravishankar. I was the one who watched this video. Thank you so much and keep learning.